right, hey folks, I had a request to do Shady Grove by like Doc Watson, Jerry Garcia, Dave Grisman type of thing. So this is a pretty easy one. We're going to look at this simple, we're going to have a D minor chord to a C chord. And our basic rhythm on this is we're going to do that kind of bass chord kind of thing. You could use a pick. You could be like big string and then the other strings. So it's bass chord, bass chord. You could do it with fingers or however you want. So we're going to do twice through that, bass chord, then we're going to go to a C. So what it is, it's basically like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like D to C, and then D minor to C, and then D minor twice. And then D minor to C, and that time you hang the C an extra one, and then go back to D to finish it off. So it's like D, D, C, D, and D minor again. And then you kind of start over, but this time you have 2 C's, or twice as long on the C. So. Okay, so let's try that a little bit. We'll take it nice and slow. 3 and 4 and. Okay, so that second half has a double C going on there. So let's try it a little faster. 3 and 4 and. That's halfway. Now we got the double C. Double C. Peaches in the summertime, apples in the fall. If I can't have a girl I love, don't want none at all. So at the end of those things, you can always hit a little up one too if you want. That kind of thing. Peaches in the summertime, apples in the fall. If I can't have a girl I love, don't want none at all. Shady Grove, my little love. Shady Grove, I know. Shady Grove, my little love. Bound for Shady Grove. Okay, so that's pretty much your rhythm there, and then we got a little lead we can talk about. Okay, so let's dive on into that. So we got 5th to 7th on the G string. So we're going to hit the 5 to 7 slide and then 2 more 7s. Then we're going to have 7, 9, 7, and then bigger string, 9, 10. So let's try that. 3 and 4 and. And then we do the slide again. So that was the slide. 1 more 7. 2 more 7s, I guess. So that was 7, 9, 10, then down here 8 to 10. So whole thing. And then we're going to come up here, that same fret, we're going to go 3 frets above. So that's 10 to 13 and back. And they're going to go. So that was 8, 10, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10. Now our last part here is. So that's 7 to 9 on the G string. And then 8 down here and back to the 9. And then 10, 8, 9, 7. So the whole thing. You can do that a couple times in a row. So nice and slow. 3 and 4 and. Let me go to that 13 thing. Okay, let's kind of play it all up to speed here. So we got. Shady Grove, Doc Watson, Jerry Garcia, and David Grisman did that. Tons of people have done it. Great old tune. Jerry Garcia and David Grisman had an album called that with a lot of great tunes on it too, if you haven't heard of that. Okay, thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe, and there will be a tab to go with this. Hope you enjoy it. All right, we'll see you next time. Thank you.